Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night to all of you wherever you are around the world. And in this video, I will be speaking what the role of language at school is. Okay, so I do believe all of you and all of us know exactly the language plays crucial role in the school environment, right? Because it influences various aspects of teaching, it influences various aspects of learning, and also it influences various aspects of communication, right? So in this video, I would like to share some key roles of language at school. And the key role number one is communication. So here, language serves as the primary medium of communication at the schools, right? It allows teachers and students to exchange information, and also it allows teachers and students to express their ideas. It allows them to ask questions, and also it allows them to engage in discussions, right? So that's why effective communications facilitates understanding, facilitates collaboration, and also facilitates the transmission of knowledge. Okay, and that is the key role number one. And key role number two is language is used as an instruction, right? So here, language is used by teachers to deliver instructions, and also to present academic content to the students, right? And language also enables the teachers to explain the concept, to provide explanations, and also it helps the teachers to give directions, right? So clear and precise language will help the students to comprehend and grasp the new information. Okay, and that is the key role number two. And the key role number three is language is used as a learning, right? So language is essential for students to acquire knowledge and to learn new concepts, right? It also helps the students to engage with the textbooks. It also helps them to engage in educational resources, and also it helps them to engage in instructional materials, right? So that's why language skills enable the students to read, enables them to write, to listen, and also to speak effectively, and also to facilitate the learning process effectively, right? And that is the key role number three. And the key role number four is language is used as critical thinking and expressions. So here, what do I mean by critical thinking and expressions? So here, language is instrumental in developing critical thinking skills, right? So here, students use language to analyze information. They also use the language to evaluate argument, and also they use the language to express their thoughts and opinions, right? And also language allows the student to construct a logical argument, and also ask questions, and also engage in a higher order thinking skills, right? And that is the key role number four. And key role number five is language is used as a social interaction, right? So language, plays a vital role in social interactions among the students, among the teachers, and also other school staff. Language will enable them to will enable the students or the teachers to form friendship, to collaborate, on a particular project, and also to engage in a group work, right? So that is the key role number 5. Yeah, and beside, language also can facilitate socializations, and also cooperation, and also it facilitates the development of interpersonal skills. Okay, and the key role number 6 is assessment. Yeah, so language is used as an assessment. So here, language is utilized various forms of assessment, such as written exams, right, and also presentations or oral interviews, right? So here, assessments measure students' understanding, it measures students' knowledge, and also it measures language proficiency, right? And also language skills are often integral to demonstrating comprehension and communicating ideas effectively in assessment tasks, right? And that is the key role number 6. And key role number 7 is language is used as cultural expression, right? So what do I mean here by cultural expression is language is deeply connected to culture, and schools are places where diverse cultures converge, right? So here, language allows the student to express their cultural identities, and also they can share their experiences, and also they can understand the perspectives of others through languages. And also it promotes cultural appreciations, it promotes empathy, and also it promotes respect, right? And that is the key role number 7. And key role number 8 is language can be used as an access to education, right? Access to education. So what do I mean here by access to education? Yeah, language is also a means of providing access to education. So here, students need to comprehend and use the language of instruction to fully engage in academic activities. And schools often provide language support programs for the students who are learning the language, and then also they provide additional or second language. For example, now there are some schools that provide a bilingual or trilingual schools, right? So those are the 8 key roles, how important the language or the role of language at school, right? And remember, language is an indispensable tool at school environment. So here, facilitating communication, it facilitates learning, it facilitates critical thinking, it facilitates social interactions, it also facilitates assessment, and also cultural expressions. So remember, it's essential for students to develop strong language skills to succeed academically, and also fully participate in the educational process, right? So I hope this information is useful and important and essential to you. And if you think this video is helping you to learn something new, and do not forget to share, to like, and also to subscribe and to comment, in order you are going to get notifications for the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and bye bye for now.